Ah, this is a beautiful day today. Ah, it's sunny out, a bird chirping, and that was one today. Ah, whoop, whoop, whoop. What? What do you want, Odie? Whoop, whoop, whoop. What? 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 What are you saying? Whoop, whoop. What are you trying to play hide and seek? Whoop, whoop, whoop. But Odie, I don't really want to play hide and seek. Can we just play to the next week? Yeah, whoop, 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 whoop. You ever do it with that? Whoop, 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 whoop. And I want to do it today. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, great. Okay, fine. I'm gonna do it hide and seek. Okay, just do it one time. Gosh. All right, I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, yeah. Huh? Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we come. Alright, where's Odie? 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 What? Odie? Where are you? Odie? Odie? Where are you? Oh, there we are, Odie. I can just see you. But, yeah, but, how are they gonna do the box? What? You. You. What are you doing there, Odie? Well, I capture him. Wait, why? Because I was able to be revenge. Be revenge? Yes, I'm gonna do the be revenge because he's stealing my lasagna. I know you can take it to the lasagna. You take it first because I go to you. I try to get you fuse. You must go to lasagna. So I have to do the rest. Wow, I guess I have to take it to lasagna. That means I'm going to eat it. Look, I don't care. Look, you better my order right now, or you will just fight. Let's do. I am not gonna go if you have to fight me. Silver stuff then. I guess I don't have a fight for it, then I have a fight for it. Alright, good something to me. Let's do this. Ah! Take this. Hey up. Oh. Take this. Up. Oh. Ow. 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 Take this. Hey up. Oof. Oof. Ow. 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 Wow. Oh. Uh-oh. Ah, oof. Ow. Like this. Hit the scratch. Ow. Ow, ow, my eyes. Yeah. Take this. Take this. Ow. Oh, wow. Man, this is a bit. Take this. Oh, ow. Ow. Take this. Ow. How are you? Take this. Ow. Wow! Now, Kameha! Wow! Ow! Ow, my butt hurts. Ugh. Ugh, man, that hurts so bad. Wow! Oh. Wow! Ugh. Yeah. 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 Take this. He. Ugh. Ugh. Right, you. Hit. Ugh. Ow. Yeah. Yeah. Ugh. Ow. Yeah. There you. Ow. 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 Yeah. 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 Ha 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 ha. Up. Oh. Ha ha. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh no. Ugh. Ow. Hey, yatch. Ow. Ha ha. Up. Ow, 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 ow. Take this. Yeah, take this. Yeah. Oh. Okay. That's it. I had enough of you. Now it's time to finish it off. Wait, what? You try to kill me? Yes, I will fabricate you. Any wise words? Yes. Say hello to players. Who? Ah! Huh? Oh, crap. Oh. Oh, thank goodness, dude. That's too close. Now I'm gonna go back and save Odie. I finally been taken on the stupid arm, man. And now we save Odie. Odie? Are you okay? Oh, thank goodness, Odie. Are you glad you're okay? Woo woo. Don't ever watch ever again. Oh, thank goodness, dude. This Bobby's over. And now, it's time to go back home. Come on, let's go. The end.